This is our third lecture of C language series, and today's topics are first first C language program, and second is function, and the last topic which we will discuss is what is function main. So let's begin. As we can see in the figure, I will read each line one by one. It will start from hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main parenthesis, then we start curly braces, and then we have written clear screen. It is a function clr scr parenthesis, then semicolon. Every line here terminated by semicolon. Next, printf, we started curly braces and double inverted comma, and inside double inverted comma we have written hello user, and at last we have written semicolon, and then we have ended our program with parenthesis. See, here we have written void. It means it will return nothing. Now we will see.
Now we will write our first program here. This is an IDE, online IDE. You can use other IDE like Turbo C, Code Block. I want to tell one thing, that Turbo C is an IDE which is developed by Borland company, and the full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Now I will start coding. Hash include studio.h, then hash include conio.h. Next, void main. Okay, then from void void main main. Okay, curly braces started. Inside it we will write the body of our code, clr scr clear screen, and at last we will write. Actually, clear screen will not work here. Mainly it will work in Turbo C IDE. So we will not write, as it is an online IDE. Without writing clear screen, we will directly write print printf. Okay, printf. Printf. Okay. And inside which we will write our code. Hello user. Here we will terminate this semicolon, and then we will run this program. Oh, I have written user. Okay, now I will run this program, and whatever we have written inside this double inverted comma will get printed on console. We will see output. Oh, there is a problem. What problem? You can see that hello user has printed on console. Here some other things are coming, like main is not end, as this ID is not supporting void main. It will support int main, and when we can write int main, then it will support it. Int main. Okay, I will run. So see what happened. Yes, this is correct. Okay, this has given hello user. Whatever we will write, like hello world, do it will give hello world. We will write any number 1 2 3 just like this. It will get printed on console. You can see, you can write anything, we can write any symbol will get printed. Format is right, but why? Okay, is there any problem? From next time we will not use this ID as this is not working properly. We will use turbo C or code block. Okay, now our next topic is, well, I want to discuss one more thing, a comment line here. Like run this, yeah, this is right. Now there are two methods of writing comment. For single line comment we will use double slash and then we will write our comment, print, okay, print statement. Let's see, our output will be same. Yes, and for multiple line comment we will, our syntax will be slash asterisk, then we will write any number of line like, okay, our first program, and we will end our comment with asterisk slash. The same output will come. Okay, now we'll see our next topic,
function. So what is function? Function is a set of instructions having a particular name and parenthesis at end. As example, we can see main parenthesis. This is a function, and among all function, main function is one of the necessary function. In next topic we will see why main function is one of the necessary function. First of all, main is a function, and why it is important, we have seen earlier that it is one among all. Second point is, among all function, main function is one of the necessary. This is the reason why it is important, because execution of the code starts from main function. This is the reason. And next, all statements that belong to function main are enclosed within a pair of braces, curly braces, as shown in the figure. Int main, inside the braces we have written three statements: statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. These are actually all the statement we have written inside the curly braces are the body of our code. Okay, so thank you for today class. For earlier lecture you can see in the description. So thank you for today class.